Students, in this session we cover Science Class 8 all chapter MCQ questions. So this video is very important for your half yearly examination. So quickly share this session to your friends. Then start the session. First question number 1. The process of loosening of the soil is called tilling or ploughing. Next question number 2. Seed drill is used for dash. The seed drill is used for the sowing. Next question. Rabi crops is harvested in dash in October to March. Next question number 5. How common rakhibo rabi crop examples mon rakhibo gram, wheat. Okay. Next. Maize grow well during the June month because maize is a kharif crop. Next question number 6. The agricultural instrument used for the removal of the weeds is is khurupi. Next question number 7. Transplantation of the seedling is done in rice because first rice को केन करन ना एग्रीकल्चर रे ता जो सीड्स को फोपाड़ी दंती देन सेटा छोट छोट कोन अब सीडलिंग रे कन्वर्ट हुए ता परे ताको आने की आउट प्लेस रे कोन करनती ना ट्रांसप्लांट करन डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करन बिकॉज़ भलसे सेटा ग्रो हबो बुझेला. सो राइस होउजी गोटे ट्रांसप्लांटेशन सीडलिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Compost is a compost is a manure. Next question number 9. BHC or benzene hexachloride is a is a pesticide because ये insect को killing करे पे हमें use करूँ. Next question number 10. The chemical substance rich in nutrient are called fertilizer because fertilizer chemical रहता है. Next question number 11. The process of separation of the grain from the chaff after harvesting is known as threshing. Next question. The soil matter formed by the decayed organic matter is called humus. Next question. Supply of water to the crop is known as irrigation. Next. Which simple tool is used to remove the weeds? That is hoe. आउ सिकल टा कोथरे यूज हुए ना कटिंग पाई. ओके प्लगिंग टा होची प्लगिंग करिया पाई. सीड ड्रिल होची सोइंग पाई. ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Which instrument is used for the spraying weedicide? That is sprayer. Next question number 16. Benzene hexachloride or BHC is used by the farmer for killing the insect. Option number 2. Next chapter, microorganism, friends and foe. First question number 1. Alcohol is produced with the help of with help of yeast. Next question number 2. Which of the following drugs is an antipyretic? That is paracetamol. Next question number 3. What helps in the rise of the bread or dosa dough? That is formation of yeast and growth of the yeast. Next question number 4. The status of the algae in the aquatic food chain is known as producer because it is green color se mane produce karandi food ko, that's why it is producer. Next question number 5. The rod shaped bacteria are called bacillus. Next 6 number. Bacteria present in root nodule of the pea is called rhizobium because pea gote kon na leguminous plant. Okay. Next question number 7. Microorganism which contains chlorophyll is that is algae because algae is green color, so it is chlorophyll thai. Next question number 8. The disease caused by the protozoa is that is malaria. Typhoid is bacteria. Tuberculosis bacteria. poliovirus. Next, question number 9. Which can fix atmospheric nitrogen, that is all of the above. Rhizobium भी करती because it is leguminous plant nodal रे थांती, okay, root nodal रे. Next, question number 10. The disease caused by the fungi is dash, is called ringworms. Polio is virus, it is virus, it is virus. Next, question number 11. Which bacteria helps in settling of the cord, that is lactobacillus, because milk रे lactic acid था, तो सी bacillus जो हमारा bacteria ताकू convert करे. Next, question number 12. Which of microorganism causes AIDS, that is virus. Virus द्वारा हमारा AIDS हुए. Next, question number 13. Which of the following disease is spread due to the bacteria? Bacteria वाला किए ना हमारा tuberculosis. ये तीन था जो हमारा virus. Question number 14. Which of the following is not used as the food preservative? That is methane. Salt use हुए हमारे pickle को store करने पाएं. Sugar भी same जो pickle and vinegar भी pickle. So methane of correct option. Next, question number 15. The process by which amount of the nitrogen remains the same in the atmosphere is known as dash. Is known as nitrogen means nitrogen cycle. Next, question number 16. Sorry, next chapter, coal and petroleum. देखो first question number 1. Minerals are dash. Now minerals are natural resource. Yes. Then inexhaustible natural resource. Yes. Exhaustible natural resource. Yes. They are all of the above. Next, question number 2. Petroleum is mainly a mixture of which of the following classes? Now hydrocarbon, because hydrogen and carbon thies, so hydrocarbon. Which one is not a coal product? That is lime. Question number 4. Which one of the following is a petrochemical? And that is paraffin wax, because petrochemical means petroleum product ke na paraffin wax. Next, question number 5. Conversion of the dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. Option number A. Next, question number 6. Full form of the LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas. Question number 7. A natural gas stored under the high pressure is known as CNG or compressed natural gas. Next, question number 8. Name the petroleum product used for the surfacing of the road, that is bitumen or asphalt. Next, question number 9. Products obtained by the process of destructive distillation are dash. Now coal, coal tar and coal gas. Then what is destructive distillation? Now without presence of air, when we heat the coal is known as destructive distillation. Next, question number 10. The mining of the oil under the sea is termed as dash, is termed as shore mining. Next, question number 11. Main constituent of the LPG is dash, both butane and propane. Okay. Next, question number 12. Name the petroleum product used for the surfacing of the road. It has repeat bitumen. Next, 13. Least polluting fuel ki na CNG, compressed natural gas. Next, question number 14. Petroleum is found under the dash na sedimentary rock, very important. Next, question number 15. In which of the following places natural gas has not been formed in India? That is Delhi. Next chapter, combustion. Which one of the following gases is used in combustion? And that is oxygen, because oxygen is supporter of gas कहती. The burning of the LPG is an example of gas rapid combustion, because LPG को just हम कौन करेगा ना burn करले से rapidly कौन करेगा combust हो. Next, question number 3. The temperature, a temperature at which substance burn is known as ignition temperature. जो temperature substance का burn हुए तो ignition temperature कहती. Or kindling temperature. Next, question number 4. Which is a non-renewable source of energy? Now that is natural gas. Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? That is water gas. Fossil fuel means जोटा हम rock तो हमें find out करूँ. ताकि fossil fuel बोली कौन दी की है ना coal, petroleum और natural gas. Question number 6. Which gas helps in the process of the combustion? That is oxygen. Next, question number 7. The amount of the heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg is known as calorific value. आर यूनिट भी मन रखिबो किलोजूल पर केजी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, which zone represent the partial combustion in the candle flame, that is middle zone? Burning of coal is in a closed room will produce gas, will produce carbon monoxide. Substances which catches fire are known as gas, are known as combustible. Next question number 11. Out of these, which is able to control the fire, that is carbon dioxide. Next question number 12. Which zone of the flame does a goldsmith use the melting of the gold and silver, that is outer zone because it is the hottest zone and blue in color. Calorific value of the fuel is expressed in dash, just unit kilojoule per kg, kilojoule per kg. Which is non-combustible substance, that is iron nail. Then last question 15 number. Acid rain contains mainly dust. Acid rain contains nitric acid, nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide. Next, conservation of the plants and animal. First question, the clearing of the forest is referred as deforestation. Next question number 2, deforestation lead to dust. Deforestation lead to an increase of the temperature. Yes, increase because carbon dioxide amount increase temperature भी increase. Then increase in rainfall, no. Imbalance of the oxygen and carbon dioxide, yes. So option number both A and B. Next question number 3, which of the following gases is needed by the plant for photosynthesis, that is carbon dioxide and water. Name the process undertaken by the plant for preparing their own food, that is photosynthesis. An increase in amount of the carbon dioxide result in dust. Increased carbon dioxide means global warming. The reduction in the rainfall could cause dust, drought, marudi habo. Next, the removal of the top layer of the soil is known as soil erosion or desertification. Next, question number 8. Name the sphere that support life where the living organism exists, that is biosphere. Next, question number 9. The variety of the organism living on the earth is referred to as dust, is known as biodiversity. Question number 10. Name a biosphere reserve where the plants and animals are similar to those of the upper Himalayan range and lower Western Ghat, is dust. Right? Pachmari Biosphere River. Pachmari Biosphere River. Next, 11 number. Which of the following activity are prohibited? National Park, Sanctuary and Biosphere Reserve. That is all of the above. Hunting kari paribani. Then tree ko ame kati paribani. Okay. Next. Name the area where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat is known as dust, is known as sanctuary. Next, name of the area reserved for the wildlife where they can freely use the habitat and national resource, that is national park. Large area of the protected land for the conservation of the wildlife, plants and animal resource and the traditional life of the tribal living in area are referred to as biosphere reserve. The biosphere reserve boli kaiba. Next, question number 15. Pachmari Biosphere Reserve consists one national park named as Satpura. Eta amaro MP re achi Madhya Pradesh. Next, the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve consists two wildlife sanctuary named as Bori and Pachmari. The plants found in a particular area are termed as dust, are termed as flora. This is the animal itanda, set up fauna itanda. Next, question number 18. The animal found in the particular area are termed as fauna. Next, the fauna. Next, question number 19. Those species of the plants and animals that are found exclusively in a particular area are termed as dust, are termed as endemic species. Question number 20. The killing of the animal illegally is referred to as dash is known as poaching. Illegal जो हम hunting करिबा. Next question. Force and pressure chapter. The pressure which is exerted by the air around us is known as atmospheric pressure. Next, question number 2. Force acting on per unit area is known as pressure. Next, a dash exerted by an object on another is a force, that is push or pull. That is definition force law. The force exerted by the earth to pull the object is known as gravitational force. Muscular force is also called dash force, is known as contact force. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. Force changes the dash motion of the body, yes, speed and shape, so all of the above. The force exerted by our muscle is known as dash muscular force. Muscle use to muscular force. Next, question number 9. 1 kilogram weight is equal to dash 9.8 Newton. Okay, weight ro formula kono na mass into g by acceleration due to gravity. So mass hoji kete 1 kg, g hoji kete 9.8 meter per second square. Multiply kale 9.8 Newton. Okay, because weight ro unit hoji Newton. Next, question number 10. A spring balance is used for the measuring the weight. Next, 11 number. If the two boy A and B are applying the force on the block, okay, the block achi dita apply koruchandi. Next, moves towards the boy A aru ko move kala. Which of the following statement is true? Magnitude of the force applied A is greater than no. The magnitude of the force applied A is smaller than, so option number B. Greater रहते तो B आड़ू जाता है, तो smaller अच्छे पहले A आड़ू option. Okay, এটা হচ্ছে A, এটা হচ্ছে maximum. ওটা B হচ্ছে maximum. Suppose এটা হচ্ছে 10, এটা হচ্ছে 5. তো move করবো পর ওই আড়ू को move করবো. Next, question number 12. When two forces act in opposite direction, okay, net force acting is dash equal force अछि. Equal force नहीं तो आम कौन करबा ओनली डिफरेंस बाहर कर देबा. सपोज एटा गोटे ब्लॉक अछि, एपोर्ट रे फोर्स अप्लाई होछि F1, एपोर्ट रे सपोज F2, तो नेट फोर्स केता हो ना दीटा को डिफरेंस कर देबा F1 F2. ओके, तो इक्वल थांदा देन 0 होई थांदा. अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट देखो ई नेट फोर्स केता हो इक्वालिटी काई 0 होला ना, बिकॉज़ ये भी 200 न्यूटन रे कौन करछि ना फोर्स अप्लाई करछि, इठी भी 200, तो नेट फोर्स केता हो ना 0. एटा डिफरेंट अछि 5 न्यूटन 500 न्यूटन, एटा होछि 400 न्यूटन. और देखो सेम डायरेक्शन, इठी भी अप्लाई होछि, इठी भी अप्लाई होछि सेम डायरेक्शन. ये भी 90 न्यूटन, इठी होछि 70, तो मूव करियो ना यार को मूव करियो. Next, question number 13. The strength of the force is expressed by dash is expressed by its magnitude. Means जहार magnitude अधिक हो, then force रो strength भी तार अधिक हो. Next, question number 14. Leaves fall down the ground due to the gravitational force. Question number 15. State the motion is described by dash. Motion described by the both of the state and the rest and the motion. When the hammer strikes the gong on the electric bell, which of the following force is responsible for the movement of the hammer? That is amar kono magnetic force, because jetala am switch ta current ta ko on kariba seta magnetic force act karibo, then seta kon karibo hammer ta ko attract karibo, attract kore seta gong re seta jain ko bana touch hobo. Bujhela. Next, 17 number. During the dry weather, while the combing the hair, then sometimes we experience the hair flying apart. The force eta hochi kon upon the electrostatic force. Next, question number 18. A container is filled with the water as shown in the given figure. Which of the following statement is about the pressure of the water? देखो would have answer. The correct answer of A ର pressure is less than the B. जते हमर कोन रहइबो ना तळे रहइबो हमर point, then तार pressure अधिक हबो. So option number C or last D. Next question number 19. Two objects repel each other. Okay, the repulsion could be due to the dash na due to the either the magnetic or the electrostatic force. Which one of the following forces is the contact force? Contact force का कहबा ना gravity no, magnetic no, force of the friction yes. Option number C. Next friction chapter. Friction is a dash, it is a contact force. Next question number 2. Which of the following produce least friction? That is rolling friction. Friction always dash oppose the motion. Friction can be reduced by using chemical oil, yes, grease, yes, powder, means all of the above. Question number 5. Static friction is less than dash. Now both. No. Static friction is greater than. So less than का true. So none of the above. Because static friction टा सबटू अधिक थाए. Then तापर हो जिके ना हमारा sliding friction. Then rolling friction. So static friction का टा less नहीं. So सबटू अधिक. Next question number 6. Whenever the surface in contact tend to move or move with respect to each other, the force of friction comes into play dash. Now, irrespective the whether of the objects are solid, liquid or gaseous. Next question number 7. To sharpen the blade of the knife by rubbing against the surface, which of the following will be the most suitable? And that is stone. Stone is जब rubbing करिबा then हमार जल्दी कौन हो ना blade टा sharp होगा और knife sharp होगा. Next question number 8. The shape of the aeroplane is like a dash, is like a bird. Friction is a dash, ना friction is a foe and friend because हमको friction टा बड़े बड़े दरकार आउ किसी केसेस रे हमको दरकार भी ना. Okay, waste हुई. Next question number 10. Friction due to fluid is known as dash, is known as drag. जोटा एयर था है जो एरोप्लेन. Okay, fluid क्या कौन थी? Fluid means liquid plus gases means that is air बोली हमें कहबा. तो एयर जो प्रेशर हम एयर रे को प्रेशर हम जनरेट हुए सेटा कौन थी? ड्रैग प्रेशर ना ड्रैग फ्रिक्शन सॉरी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Which of the following is not a smooth surface? That is surface of tire. Question number 12. A toy car released with the same initial speed will travel farthest on dash. बोलते ना पॉलिश मार्बल रे हिं अधिक कौन हो ना मूव कर परिबो. Question number 13. If we apply oil on door hinge, the friction will reduce or decrease. Next question number 14. The lubricant is a dash, lubricant is reduced to friction, सेति पे हमें lubricant use करू. Okay, then carom board रे जो कौन powder जो use करू. Next question number 15. Force of friction depends upon dash, ना depends upon roughness, yes. Smoothness ये भी डिपेंड करे. Then inclination भी डिपेंड करे. तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी आवा. तो all of the above. Next question number 16. Force of friction depends upon dash, ना depends upon roughness, yes, weight and size and all of them. तो ऑप्शन नंबर all of the above. Size means कौन ना suppose एटा होची गोटे ट्रक. ओके एटा होची गोटे बाइक. तो दी जन ऊपर भी डिपेंड करिवो. ओके नेक्स्ट देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Fluid at dash एवे जस्ट कहउतरी liquid plus gases both A and B. Which is a streamline object? That is all of the above. Streamline means गोटे streamline ता जो आगोटा जोटा सरफेस थिबो ओटा जो पाटा माने हमर फ्रिक्शन लागू थिबो जो फास्ट हमर एरोप्लेन हो किबा शिप आगर केम थिबो ना स्ट्रीमलाइन हि थिबो. ओके बा एमति कोनिकल सरफेस हि थिबो. आगो में स्ट्रीमलाइन ऑब्जेक्ट कहबा. Smooth surface has dash, smooth surface has less friction, more friction, sometime less sometime more na less friction ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ଖସି ଯାଇବ। Next question number 20. Which of the following is responsible for the wearing out of the bicycle tire? That is frictional force ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେଟା wearing ହୁଏ ଘୋରି ଯାଏ। Next chapter chemical effect of the current. First question number 1. Which of the following is a bad conductor of the electricity? That is distilled water. Distilled water हम ठीक से कौन electricity flow करेनी। Next जमा flow करेनी। Okay. Next question number 2. Which of the following does not conduct electricity? That is sugar solution because acid रे जाए base रे भी जाए। Okay. acid रे जीवो acid plus water एटा होची acid plus water एटा होची base plus water। Okay. Next question number 3. An electric current can produce just an electric current can produce heating effect, yes, heating भी करिवो, and chemical effect, yes, and magnetic effect भी करिवो। So option number all of the above। Next question number 4. Pure or distilled water is a dash bad conductor। Next question number 5. Which of the following is a good conductor? That is steel। Polythene is a dash. Polythene is an insulator। Electroplating is based on dash. Is based on the chemical effect of the electricity। Copper is a dash. Copper is a good conductor। Waste from the electroplating factory must be disposed of dash. Must be disposed of the according to the disposal guidelines of the waste management body। जे हम डिपार्टमेंट थिबो तार गाइडलाइन अनुसार हम कोन करिवार अछि ना डिस्पोजल करिवार अछि। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. An electrolyte is a dash। an electrolyte is a liquid that conduct the current। त हम electrolyte बोली कहबा। ओके गोटे सॉल्यूशन जोथरा हम करंट टा कंडक्ट करि परिबो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Flow of electron is called dash। is called electric current। electric current means electron ही flow करूची गोटे पार्ट रो गोटे पार्ट। ओके Next question number 12. Which is not a non-electrolyte? That is urea because urea is acid। Next question number 13. An electric urea acid no uric acid is এটা answer of urea। An electric lamp glows due to dash। that is heating effect। तो हम बल्ब जो यूज हुए टंगस्टन जो ता भीतर मटेरियल्स है तो सेटा जो ग्लो हुए केमिति ना हीटिंग इफेक्ट पाए। आउ के हीटिंग इफेक्ट पाए आयरन भी मन रखिबो आयरन माइक्रो ओवन। ओके नेक्स्ट इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग प्रिवेंट डैश corrosion। yes corrosion ही हबो। Which of the following is not used for the electroplating metal article? That is nickel, silver, chromium and sodium। तो answer होगा sodium। Next question number 16. Iron object can be protected by the electroplating them with the zinc, nickel, chromium। तो तीनटा ही प्लेटिंग करा जाए। तो option number all of the above। Question number 17. In LEDs the longer lead wire is always connected to the dash positive मन रखिबो जोटा लंबाटा थाए सेटा पॉजिटिव सहित कनेक्शन थाए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Tap water is a good conductor of the electricity while distilled water is not because tap water contains salt। distilled water do not contain salt। only A is correct। both A and B is correct। so option number only A is correct। tap water contains salt सेतिपई good conductor। distilled water do not contain salt एटा भी ठीक अछि तो both A and B होबो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. When electrodes are immersed in water and electricity pass, the bubble form on the positive terminal is actually dash gas। तो को गैस कौन थी ना तो ऑक्सीजन गैस कौन थी आउटसाइड रे हाइड्रोजन हुए। When the electrodes are immersed in water and electricity pass एटा कोन बना हाइड्रोजन। नेगेटिव टर्मिनल रे हाइड्रोजन पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल रे ऑक्सीजन। ओके कंप्लीट। तो एग्जाम देवा पूर्व ए क्वेश्चन को टिके थरे देखिनियो देन तम सब बेनिफिट्स आसीबो। थैंक यू।